Hello everyone, and welcome to the shop. Welcome to Glastonbury Designs Workshop. We're going to outline today a maple end table that we're in the process of refurbishing. The end table itself was picked up at a tag sale not too long back. It had a little bit of, a little bit of less desirable characteristics. To begin with, what we were dealing with is we have a tabletop here, and I was able to get off from it. There's a little bit of a stain. Looks like somebody either left some juice or maybe burned a candle on it, and the candle or juice dripped over. So what we're going to do with this tabletop is, over time, I'm going to go ahead and sand off the top of it. I'm going to cut out some holes, recess the back a little bit, and we're going to make a picture frame out of this. Hopefully this is going to be gifted out to a friend of mine, and I'll go ahead and keep you updated on that build. That shouldn't be much of a build. It shouldn't take too long for us to do. But as I move forward with that, when we start that, I will go ahead and I will make sure that we outline that so you guys can follow that build. That'll be fun. The new tabletop that I built for the end table is going to be this right here. This tabletop was milled out. The piece of lumber was milled out that was used for approximately 2 years ago. Went ahead and surfaced it down to about 1 inch thick. Then we did a form. We poured the form with epoxy. One of the issues that I've ran into is in the process of sanding this down, I have been struggling with getting all the swirl marks out of it from the sanding. So what I'm looking to do is I've just bought a polishing grit. I have a buffer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish it out with some polishing grit, and then I'm going to try to buff it up to an acceptable finish. I would take any comments that anybody can offer and suggestions in the comments below. What you might have used and done in the past that has been successful for you. What you think I might be able to do and get success out of this project. This project will be, we'll do a few videos in the process of the build. This project will be outlined, this project will be offered on our website, www.glastonburydesigns.com. And I'll leave the link in the description below. So what I did was, when I built this tabletop, I built it a little bit longer than it needed to be. What we're looking to do is, with the drawer front, I'm looking to have the tabletop fold down over like this, and it's going to have the drawer front itself. It's going to be a continuation of the tabletop, kind of to build like a river effect or a waterfall effect. This is the drawer that the table came with. It does have some really nice dovetailing, and I'm not unhappy with the drawer. I just wanted to, I want the drawer front to also coincide with the top. The drawer does just fine. Slides in and out just fine without issue. I wasn't actually able to line that up the way I wanted to. But this build, we've been in the process of it. I've actually sanded down a little bit of dust on it from current projects, but I've sanded down the carcass. I went ahead and put a coat of polyurethane on it and probably recoat it, and that'll be as far as what I want to do with that and refurbish. And but we'll keep you guys up to date. We're going to have some nice lumber coming out, some lumber that we've recently milled up, and we'll also we'll do some lumber milling as we go. So thank you for joining me here in the shop today, Glastonbury Designs Workshop, and I look forward to speaking with all of you again. Go ahead and, if you would, just like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I would appreciate that, and we'll try try to get some more videos out of this build and the future builds to come. Thank you.